Hello guys, in this video I will show how to pay Atome using GCash InstaPay. Here's the process. Start by opening the Atome app, go to the Bills tab and tap Pay Now under your Atome card. Choose bank transfer via InstaPay as your payment method. You'll see the total amount due and a list of supported banks displayed on the screen. Copy the provided payment details, then open your bank app or e-wallet that supports InstaPay, such as GCash. Select the correct bank, paste or enter the details, and tap Send. The payment will automatically go through the InstaPay network, so there's no need to select it manually. Transactions are processed instantly with a small InstaPay fee. Once done, return to the Atome app and confirm the payment. It might take a few minutes for the update to appear, but after confirmation, your Atome card balance will be refreshed. That's all you need to do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.